Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the console and readying the spare dual shock 4. Plug the second controller into any USB port so the Ps4 can register it. This is faster than Bluetooth pairing. Once done, make sure the spare has at least some charge or stays plugged in. Sign in with your main user account to adjust settings if needed. These first steps let the system detect the new device and let you move directly into pairing without delays or battery interruption. With the cable connected, press the PS button on the second controller. You will hear a prompt and its light bar will flash as the system recognizes hardware. Carefully watch the screen. The controller should appear under Devices, Bluetooth devices, or as a connected controller. If it asks which user to assign, choose an available account or create a guest. Make sure the cable is data capable, not charge only, because a wrong cable will not establish the initial link. Finally, assign the controller to the account you want and test movement, face buttons, and triggers in the home menu. You need to confirm input works before gaming. Once confirmed, unplug the USB to use it wirelessly. If the light bar stays on and input persists, pairing is complete. If the controller won't pair, reset it using the small button on the back near L2 for 5 seconds, then reconnect with USB and repeat pairing. This fixes most connection quirks quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.